Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fryer. Today is April the 5th, 2021, and I'd like to take you through some of the steps of our password safety and Scratch account lesson. The first thing that you're asked to do is to visit haveibeenpwned.com. This is a great website to put in an email address and see if indeed that email address has been hacked and if passwords have been taken. And the point of that is to basically show how important it is to manage passwords and keep them safe. There's a video that you can link. I'm actually going to replace it, I think, with this one, which is about Chrome's password manager. And that's the link that's provided next to go to passwords.google.com. When you go to this website, you're going to be able to see passwords that you have saved and whether or not there's any copied passwords or there's passwords that have actually been hacked or compromised, and this will give you an ability to check that. I've deleted all the passwords from this account, so it's not going to actually let us do that, but if you do have saved passwords, this is where you're going to see them, and then you can use that password checkup. What we're going to do now is we're going to go into Chrome settings, and we're going to take a look at our passwords. So I'm going to go here to Chrome settings, and so I actually want to click on the three dots up here in the corner and go down to settings, and this is right now today in April of 2021 under autofill, and that's where the passwords are. And so you can go here, and this is where it's going to show your saved passwords, and you can make changes to them if you need to. So you are going to want to add your myCassidy username and password. And so you're going to do that the following way. When you go to our website, www.cassidy.org, it's going to prompt you to log in. So you're going to click on this, and then it's going to ask for your username and your password. So you're going to put in your username, and if you don't know what that is, you can click here to have it email you your username. You can also ask me, and I can help look it up for you. And then you're going to be pasting in your password. Okay, so we need to put in our password, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. Now, the first time that you do this, it should pop up and ask you if you want to save your password, and you'll want to click this Save button. If you don't see this pop-up window, there is a key up here in the upper right corner, and you can click on that key and then choose to save your password, okay? This is the key right here that lets you choose to save it. Now, when I go back to my saved passwords here and I refresh the page, now I'm going to see there's a saved password here for that website, which is myCassidy, my username, and then it actually has dots here for my password, but then I've got my password saved, okay? So that's awesome. So there's one other password that I want to make sure that you have and that you have saved, and that is for your Scratch account. I apologize, there's probably a little background noise here, but hey, that's okay. What we're going to want to do now is to put in our Scratch password. If you don't have a Scratch account, I've given you a link to go ahead and go to the Scratch website and choose to join Scratch, and you're going to create a unique username. You may have to add some numbers or something like that to it, so that password, so that username is different. It's unique. Nobody else has it. And then you're going to create a password that needs to be a secure password that you don't use anywhere else. And the longer it is, the better. And that is actually one way that your password manager can help you. So here in passwords, let's see if we can actually. Yeah, there's not a way to go ahead and just add the password here, so you have to type it in, and so what I'm going to do is I've already created my Scratch account, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So I go ahead and put my username, and then I'm going to try to paste in my password. Alright, so let's paste it in, and now I'm going to click sign in. And again, this pop-up that says save password, yes, I want to click save, and I can also click this key on the login. And now when I come back here to my passwords, check it out. I have two different saved passwords. And this is what I'd like you to make a screenshot of by pressing, I think, Control Shift and then the window key, and you'll be able to make a screenshot to show me that you have saved both of those passwords, your password to MyCassidy and your password to the Scratch website as well. All right, I hope that's helpful. Remember that the password manager you can always get to by going to passwords.google.com, and once you've got saved passwords in here, it's going to give you this option to go to the password checkup, and that's going to help be able to tell you if you've got breached passwords that have been copied. You got to put in your password again to be able to see it. And then if you've got anything that's compromised that says I have one weak password, so I need to change that one, and you can do that. You can use the password checkup to check all of your passwords and then make changes to the ones that you need to. Just make sure if you change it here, you actually change it on the website where it's used, because changing it inside this Chrome window doesn't change it on the original website. Okay, good luck. Hope that's helpful.